नमस्कार दोस्तों। Today is 14th June 2021. Welcome to my channel Trade Plan Nifty. This channel is my journey in stock market, where on this specific video on daily basis I disclose my trade plan for Nifty for the next trading session, review my today's trade, share my learning and MTM at end of the video. I hope these discussions will add value to your trade setup and trading ideas. So before we get into Lalaji, let's first get into S&P 500. So when we look into S&P 500, we see that today S&P 500 is in red, and currently it is at 4237. So this is definitely not a good sign, but definitely S&P 500 is also in a super trend and is moving almost parallel to 8 bar moving average. But specifically for tomorrow, this doesn't look like a good sign. And when we look into US government 10 bond yield, it is now has touched the bottom of 1.43, and this is a second consecutive day when it is moving up. So this is also not a good sign for all the equity market. Although it is still trading at 1.48, which is at the bottom of its recent value. So I still consider this as this upward move is not very significant because the overall value is still low. But still, the indication is that the US government 10 bond yield is moving up. And when we look into dollar index, the dollar index after one green bar today is showing some sign of weakness, but it is still up on the upper side. So this is also not a very good sign for emerging markets, specifically like India. So globally, global trend is not looking good for tomorrow specifically. So with that in background, let's have a look into Nifty. So when we look into Lalaji, what we see is that Lalaji on weekly basis is continuing his uptrend and is close above all the significant moving average. So definitely this is in uptrend. Now when we look into daily chart, what we see on daily chart is that the super trend is in place. So on daily chart, when we look, we see that market Lalaji is definitely has closed above 8, above 20, and maintaining a super trend of running parallel to 8 bar moving average. So here also Lalaji is definitely in uptrend. On 15-minute chart, Lalaji today has closed above 8, above 50, above 20, and above 200. So here also the trend is confirmed that the on moving average the trend is on upside. Now Lalaji has respected our support of 15,600. So 15,600 is no doubt a very strong support. Being very precise, 15,564 is a very strong support for Lalaji. And before that, a very good support for Lalaji now is at 15,734, which is a combination of 200 bar moving average, weekly pivot, and as well as weekly L3. Now, when we look into market profile, so let's see what market profile is saying. Now, so for tomorrow, the CPR is below today's CPR and it's a wide range CPR. So this is definitely a bearish signal. So market profile confirm saying that trend is in reverse direction. That is in bearish mode. Now it all depends now where the market will open. So as of now, when we see the SGX is at 15,846. So 15,846 is well above today's price range and also above my blue magical line. So almost at one corner of the day. So again the same repetition. And if it opens above pivot, which is at 15,747, then official trade is definitely buy on dip. So for tomorrow, the pivot is at 15,748. L3 is at 15,752, so just above the pivot. So pivot becomes a very strong support for market because exactly at pivot you will see a 200 bar moving average The weekly pivot is at 15734. Weekly L3 is at 15725. So this zone between 15750 to 15725 becomes a very strong support for a market tomorrow. So any dip towards pivot is buy on dip for a target of 15873, and if 15873 is broken, then 15910, which is a very strong resistance for a market, being monthly H3. Another trade possibility for tomorrow is that open market continues its trend up, and tomorrow H3 is at 15872, which is exactly closer to weekly H3 of 15873. So one can also look for a short trade here for a day for a target of pivot, which is at 15750. And if this 15750 is broken, then market will definitely have a support at S1 or at 15651. So two trade opportunity tomorrow. No breakout trade on 15-minute out, that will not I will take. So I will see where the market is opening. If the market is opening above pivot somewhere here, then if market continues to go up, then somewhere at 15873, which is H3, look for a reversal pattern. And if you get a reversal pattern, then definitely there's a trade for a buy on dip with a target at pivot. Then again at pivot, look for a reversal pattern on upside direction. So tomorrow could be again another zigzag day. So tricky day. Just be careful. So that's my trade plan for tomorrow. Official trade is buy on dip at pivot, which is at 15750. Now let's see what happened today. So today, as expected, the trade plan was that if market is opening below pivot, then you should go for a sell on rise, and on 15-minute chart only it built a very strong red bar. It almost crossed S2 and almost touched S3, and then it further went down and finally took a support on my magical black line, and then from here one extreme reversal setup was built. This is the extreme reversal setup 2, which is reversal pattern which I discussed in my educational playlist, and from there market reverse and then it never looked back. So actually market predicted as per my trade plan. It went down and then we had a buy on dip opportunity and market carried the uptrend. And what I did, I again couldn't execute my trade plan efficiently. When this went down, I waited for S2, which was my stop loss, and at S2, which is somewhere here, I exited my 2 CE position. Then on this extreme reversal setup, somewhere on the formation of this bar, I actually entered with two lot of CE, which I, for some strange reason, I exited. I didn't have that conviction on my plan, and I exited on this particular red bar, and I entered in PE position. Then I started buying buying PEC, and eventually on this green bar, my PE position was hit. Then eventually I did not do anything. But very bad day in terms of trade execution, and I had a loss of around 13,890 rupees. And these are the orders which I took today. So you see multiple orders, CE position, PE position. It all started again in the morning. I couldn't reach my trade setup as usual before 9:15, and Monday morning office blues, and I lost my focus. Otherwise, everything was perfect. So still learning, lot to learn from Lalaji. If nothing else, Lalaji will definitely gonna make me a very disciplined person. That is for sure, and that is what the idea is. Currently, the focus is not to make money but to preserve capital. And as of now, in this financial year, I am not losing my capital. So idea is stay focused, maintain the two quantity discipline, and generally get discipline in life. Start getting up early in the morning. That is the most important thing which I need to do. Once I start doing that, everything will fall in place for me. So one thing at one time. Start getting up early in the morning. That's the learning for me. I hope these discussions are adding value to your trade setup and trading ideas. Welcome to all my new followers. Stay healthy, wear mask. Jai Hind.